For this nail art, keep watching the video. So I don't know what nail art I'm going to come up with. You have to watch the full video. I'm starting with the black nail paint. You can take any black nail paint. Apply 2 coats of black nail paint. I'm applying on 2 nails, on my forefinger and my little finger. This is the glitter I'm using. It looks white but it gives a green blue chrome color. So it's a simple process, just we have to dip in the nails and then brush off the extra. And this is the outcome. It looks so pretty. Now I am using a matte green shade. It is from NYKAA. I have applied 2 coats of this nail paint. This is how it looks after 2 coats. Now I am using a silver pen to make a heart. So this is how it looks. Pretty. Now over those hearts I'm again sprinkling the glitter. Now is the time for the top coat and I'm using COLORBAR Rapid Dry Top Coat so that it dries faster. I know the nail art is looking beautiful without the top coat, but this is to protect the glitters from falling off from the nail because we want it to last longer on our nails, and it also provides a great shine. So in and all, it's a great way to make your nail art look more and more professional. And now is the time to coat over our small hearts on matte nail paint. Just checking over and over again that if all the glitters are covered with the top coat. It's a crucial part because this only will keep the glitter intact in its place. And there we are done. It looks so beautiful. To be honest, I didn't know what nail art I have to do, but its outcome is awesome. So don't wait, guys. I want you to do this nail art right now and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and share my video if you found it